We kind of have a lot of insight into what we're expecting for the quarter, especially for same-store sales, key metric. I want to ask you, what are you expecting when it comes to guidance and also the conference call from Target?
Yeah, so today they're doing an analyst investor day. And as you said, they've already reported holiday comps up 2%, which was better than expected. I think the real key thing here is they didn't up guidance. The 2% was higher than the 0% the street was expecting. So what did they do? Did they have to promote and give away to make that comp happen? You've seen the other effect at Walmart, which is full price comps, higher income consumer here. And we also really want to hear about, is Walmart and that higher income consumer, it's coming from somewhere. That was most of their comp. Is that coming from Target? I also expect that, we've seen the majority of companies, this environment is just every day you wake up and it's something new. So we're likely going to see a very conservative view here. But I think a little extra color, particularly on the discretionary, that turned positive. They talked about apparel and toys accelerating, is going to help the street get their arms around this story that's been super volatile.
Well, two questions for you. Do you think that tariffs impact any of that part of the business? And also, how do tariffs impact some of the other companies reporting? I'm looking at Best Buy reporting later today, Ross Stores, discount retailer, then later this week, Abercrombie & Fitch, The Gap, and also BJ's.
Yeah, so everybody's behind the scenes, like probably scratching at their guidance right now. It's a big impact, obviously, consumer electronics, Abercrombie much less so. Target and Walmart, a portion of their discretionary comes through there. But also, Frank, if you think about just the consumer in general, the consumer is thinking, oh my gosh, everything I pay for is going up 10 to 20% here. So it impacts psychology. And if the consumer is paying more in one area, they have less to spend in the other. So it's overall, it's a big negative that's going to weigh on the consumer if these tariffs actually have staying power.